Right guys, so the softboxes are ready, finally. This will be a video about how to make a softbox. We will use this light bulb. It's an 18-watt Philips Ecoton light bulb. This will need to be powered by this. Basically, this is a thing that is required for the light bulb to actually function. I will show you how to wire it when we'll get to that part. Basically, you will have the lamp part and the mains part. What this does ensures that the power from the outlet will be transformed, so the light bulb won't be burned. Basically, this is in. You have a schematic also here, but we will get to that part, and I will show exactly how to wire it up. We try to make this as cheap as we could. So basically, we bought this. This is a light switch, a normal light switch with two light switches. It's £2.25, sort of, something like that. And also this mains plug. This mains plug, it's £1.50. It has a 13 amp fuse inside, which is enough for both. Basically, we will hook up two light bulbs on this. Will be just fine. And this is the light bulb itself. It's a lamp, actually. It's not a bulb, but you get the point. And we have these brackets, if you can see them. They are normal pipe brackets, the one that you use to stick them on the wall. And what we will do, we'll put like this. As you can see, they fit neatly here. And this will act as a bracket, basically, for this. Right, so we got these pipes. It's just standard pipes from B&Q, and we're going to use them as an extendable pole. So we're going to cut a piece from this one and also another piece from this one, and they are going to fit inside one of each other like this. We're going to drill some holes in this side, and then we will be able to actually extend it. So pretty much that's the whole explanation. Again, this is for DIY purposes. You may be able to find like some standing poles or something like that if you want to do so. This piece of wood, we are going to use it to make a frame out of these boxes. So we're going to use these ones and make frames. So after that, we can also put the piece of material that's gonna hide the light bulb, and is gonna disperse the light, which is gonna be quite interesting. Now, the reason we went for these ones is because, well, they look quite nice, and also they have a cap, and instead of just throwing it away, we decided to put the cap in the back of the box, and this is gonna give it a lot more strength, yeah? So after that, we will be able to actually fit the pole something like this. Now, definitely it may look a little bit weird right now, but trust me, at the end the result is going to be just amazing. So let's start. Also, we have this fabric that we will use to put on the front of on the softbox. This is basically standard fabric. It's £2.50 for one linear meter, and we got 1 meter. It will be more than enough, but we plan to do more, so that will be just fine. Now, what we're going to use this thing is Here you have the dimensions if you want to search for them, and they look like this. We're going to use them in order to put the fabric in place, pretty much. And now we will need to drill basically here. We'll have to this and a little screw just to screw them together so we can put the fabric on top. As you can see, we finished the bracket. It looks like this, and we have hooked it up to the mains just to show how it looks right now. We managed to fit the pipe bracket, and it works perfectly. It's like very steady. We have this done also, and it will look like this, and basically this is the light that comes out of it. We will fit it with pins at one point, but currently we are still working on electrics. Here there are some wire connectors. They're not the original ones because we couldn't find a socket for it. Just making sure the wires are not going to unplug by mistake from this thing is we put some zip ties just to make sure it's gonna have something that will hold them in place. So if by any chance somehow somebody's gonna pull the cable from outside, instead of just going out, it's gonna be fixed in here, as you can see. It's gonna stay fixed here, yeah? So no matter how much you try, it's not gonna take out. So yeah, that's like a security safety measure. Right guys, so the softboxes are ready, finally. I'll show you in just a bit also the results that we got, which are quite unbelievable, honestly. Hopefully I will be able to capture also like before and after once they're turned off and on, so I can explain you a little bit what the final result is. We have the softbox in here, made from like a 2 pounds box. If you want, you can like paint it in black or whatever. You can, you know, just buy something. Here we have the diffuser, which is pretty much like made from a piece of wood. We made the exterior, a piece of it, and after that we just stick it to you know, like this piece of material, we stick it to the actual frame, which is quite interesting. It actually looks brilliant. Now this is the back side of it. All right, it goes all the way down, and again, since it's homemade, we made the system in such a way in which we will be able to actually move it. This is the holder piece. It's just put in there on the actual desk. Let's go to the second one. Second one is here, same thing, as you can see. And the good part, as I was saying, is that if you want, you can actually move it. You can remove it, you can change the position of it and stuff like that. And what I'm doing, because otherwise I won't be able to watch TV and stuff, I'm just able to take out this pin over here, and after that, that's gonna go down. Let's give it a try. Yeah, so I took it out. It's just like a normal pin, and it's gonna slide down. It's gonna rest in there just perfect, as you may see, guys. Yeah, it's now touching the desk, which means it's not gonna rest on the actual box. It's actually, if you can see here, it's actually resting on this piece over here, which is brilliant. And here we have the so-called control panel. We can control each of them individually. Yeah, this is how it looks. You do have the option, if you want, you can like fix these ones like this so you won't see that light, but to be honest with you, it's not like actually matters too much. Yeah, so the control panel, so to speaking, is hidden in here. It's just made out of like 1 pound lunchbox. But again, this was just like a DIY, let's say, a budget project, and we really wanted to try out and get a good result out of like literally nothing. It cost about 20 pounds the whole thing. But yeah, let's also try and put in there some images on how it looks and what's the difference. We're checking right now the results. Both of the softboxes are turned on, and also we are checking against the light in the room. As you can see under the eye in there, you're gonna have quite of a shade if you're going to turn on the light. Apart from that, we really hope so you guys actually like the video. If you do so, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell, why not? Thanks so much for watching, and you have a wonderful rest of the day.